Adverbs are used to modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In ASL, this is referred to as inflecting a sign. One way to inflect a sign is to change the size and speed of signing. Think about a sign like popcorn. Popcorn. If I was going to describe making popcorn, I could explain how the popcorn popped really slowly by signing slower and making a smaller movement like this. Or I could tell you about how all of a sudden all of the popcorn was quickly popping up like this. As you probably noticed though, when I was signing, the size and speed were not the only inflections I made. I was also inflecting using non-manuals or facial expressions. I could show if I was a little bit happy or completely ecstatic and excited. Additionally, signs can be inflected by the following non-manuals. If you want to show that something is done carelessly, you would position your tongue like you were saying like th, the, or th, and tilt your head sideways and backwards slightly. Or some people go. You know that arcade game, Bop 'em Gopher, where you have to hit the gophers that pop up? Think about a 5-year-old playing the game. Now think about an adult who's going to win some tickets for the kid to get that prize that they're dying to have. They're going to focus intently and have precise movements. So the non-manuals are going to include scrunched eyebrows and pursed lips. Now imagine that the teenager who works there has to fix the game and is now testing it to see if it works. He's going to have this regular look on his face, his head tilted back like this. It's just another routine. He's going to push his lips forward a little bit. Sometimes you also use mouth morphemes, like in making the E whenever you sign need, the P when you sign success, or the Ch when something is large, Ch, Ch, and the blowing air out when something is small or thin.